On September the 1st, Samsung unveiled the next generation of its category-defining foldable device, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Packed with enhanced refinements and meaningful innovations, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 delivers new foldable experiences for those who enjoy being on the cutting edge of technology. With a larger cover screen and massive main screen, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 combines solid design and expert craftsmanship with intuitive new features for a unique mobile experience that offers the versatility that everyday life demands. A mind-bending glass screen that folds like a book. A hands-free camera that shoots when you wave. A precision-crafted hinge that transforms a cutting-edge smartphone into something much more. Meet the anything but ordinary Galaxy Z Fold 2. Flex Mode. Engineered to give you the flexibility to do more. Flex Mode lets you fold Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G at any angle and hold it any way you like, or not hold it at all. 2 Simply fold it to use Flex View on the main screen and make a hands-free video call with Google Duo. Or flip it to Cover View on the front to comfortably watch your favorite show. Multitasking. Keeps up so you can keep ahead. With the upgraded multi-window layout and app continuity, you can multitask with 2 apps on the cover screen, move it to the main screen, open a third app with split screen and then simply tap to work or play where you need to. Camera. Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G lets you use both screens to make sure everyone likes the shot before you commit to it. Just frame up your shot on the main screen and the cover screen gives your subjects a preview, so they can adjust their pose before the camera snaps. You're always the center of attention with auto framing. It follows your every move to keep you or your subject centered and in constant focus. If more people enter the scene, auto framing widens the view so they're included in the shot, then readjusts when they leave.